In this video, I'll show you how to add a product to Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From the left menu, click Products, then click Add Product. Next, enter your product title. For example, type Premium Stainless Steel Water Bottle. In the description, you can enter, "Keep your drinks hot or cold for hours with this durable 20-ounce stainless steel water bottle. Perfect for travel, work, and everyday use, ****. After that, upload product images by clicking Upload Files and selecting your photos. Now enter the product price. For example, set the price to $29.99. If you'd like to show a discount, enter $39.99 in the Compare at Price field. Next, add your inventory information. For example, enter WB 1001 as the SKU and 100 as the quantity in stock. If the product requires shipping, make sure that this is a physical product option is enabled and enter the product weight. After that, organize your product by adding a category and collections. For example, choose the category Water Bottles, add the vendor Learn Mode Lab, and include tags such as bottle, stainless steel, and travel. Finally, review all of your product information and click Save to publish the product to your Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a product to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.